Exposing the secrets of the universe's first light. Ready to dive in? The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's the oldest light we can see, a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. First mystery: why is the CMB so uniform? Across the sky, it's almost the same temperature everywhere. Second, those tiny fluctuations in the CMB, they formed galaxies. How did these small ripples shape the cosmos? Third, the cold spot is an unusually cool area. Could it be a void or something stranger? Fourth, the polarization of CMB light. What does it tell us about the early universe? Fifth, the Sachs-Wolf effect. How does it link gravity and light?